preservation process begins beyond this point.
The journey from specimen to material begins here.
Only specimens meeting stringent criteria proceed.
This specialized second toe claw, often called the sickle, is meticulously inspected for wear. It is the defining.
Routine care ensures the integrity of the raw material.
Each animal receives a meticulous pre-process assessment.
Baseline metrics are recorded for every specimen.
Hydration is a critical factor in hide quality.
This specialized second toe claw, often called the sickle, is meticulously inspected for wear. It is the defining feature of the raptor.
Only specimens meeting stringent criteria proceed.
The journey from specimen to material begins here.
Each hide is tracked from this point forward.
A climate-controlled staging area ensures stability. The preservation process begins beyond this point.
The raw material arrives, preserved at peak condition. Volume and consistency define the initial sorting stage. The material is prepared for its first transformation.
Final human verification precedes automated processing.
The material is now ready for the primary line.
The first stage is a rigorous, controlled cleanse.
Ancient scales are gently agitated in a neutral pH solution. Cleansed of all biological matter, the base collagen structure remains. Enzymatic baths begin the transformation of rawhide into workable leather. High-pressure rinsing prepares the material for tanning.
Excess moisture is removed under precise heat and pressure.
Mineral tannins bind to the collagen, stabilizing the structure permanently.
Controlled drying sets the tan and begins to develop the final hand feel. The tanned hide is inspected for uniformity before finishing.
Precision splitting maximizes yield and creates distinct product grades.
Oils and dyes are drummed into the hide, defining its final character.
Tension and heat set the grain and prevent later distortion.
Computerized cutting ensures zero material waste.
Base color is applied, the first step towards the final finish.
The material enters the chemical stabilization core.
Submerged in the calibrated.
Proprietary blends impart unique color depth and a signature hand feel. Vacuum infusion ensures color permanence and uniform saturation. Controlled evaporation locks in the finish. Heat and pressure refine the surface to its final texture. The transformed material is ready for its ultimate form. Artisans now assemble the core components. Each stitch is placed under digital guidance for flawless consistency. Structure is born from the marriage of precision-cut forms. Bonding is achieved through targeted electromagnetic energy.
A final finish brings out the material's inherent depth and provides protection.
Every unit undergoes a final, human-led authentication.
Each unit is sealed for its journey from mountain to market.
Automated sorting directs each unit to its global destination.
Inventory is managed with absolute spatial efficiency.
Orders are consolidated and prepared for transport. The finished goods begin their journey to the world. The final link in the chain is a calibrated handoff.
Presentation is the final, careful unveiling.
The culmination of process, ancient material, reborn.
Form and function are inseparable at this level of craft.
The texture is hand-finished, incredibly supple despite the structured form.
It feels remarkable. Is this the standard size?
The value is perceived through weight, texture, and detail.
From deep within the mountain, a product enters the world.
The product departs, its provenance etched into every fiber.
The mountain never sleeps. The process is perpetual.
Perfection lies in the repetition of perfected steps. This is where raw nature meets relentless precision.